Over the last 3 weeks, we've really enjoyed making use of public transport here in Auckland City.
We have noticed quite a few different colour buses. Red is the city link, green is the inner link, orange is the outer link, and then there are blue buses which takes you on various different routes.
Today we're going to show you a whole bunch of places you can go visit on the green bus, which is the inner link.
Starting our loop today here at Queen's Arcade,
and we're going in a clockwise direction.
The entire loop takes about 40-45 minutes if you don't get off the bus.
But it's going to take us a lot longer because we're planning on doing a lot of stops at some of our favorite places. If you're wondering how to access the buses, you need a AT card, Auckland Transport. You tap on, tap off. You can also download an app. The app is amazing because you can actually track the buses, you can check the different routes, the live departures, what time the different buses are coming, so very handy.
Stand close to the side of the road and wave the bus down.
When you're on the bus, to stop the bus at the next stop, you just push the red button.
Let's go show you what the green bus is like.
Let's do it. Our first stop is in Parnell, here on Parnell Road, and it's lined with restaurants, shops, pubs and coffee shops. There are lots of little side streets that have more restaurants and a rose garden. Today we're going to stick to the road where the buses drop us off and see what we can do.
I wanted to bring Craig to this chocolate boutique ever since that day that I came for the viewing here in Parnell, and we're gonna have some hot chocolate or something chocolatey in here. Yeah, I know I normally go for coffee, but we ordered a chocolate pot. This jug is filled with melted chocolate and this one with cream. And they come with fishies. So this shop is full of chocolates everywhere you look. I just wish that the chocolate pot was a bit warmer on this cold rainy day. The chocolate boutique is here in the Parnell village. This place is just so cute. There's all these plants everywhere and beautiful paving, and there's quite a few little places scattered around.
This is a major transfer location for trains, Monaco and Great South Road buses.
This is our first time in Newmarket. We're so excited. The streets are just buzzing. There's lots of shops and just restaurants. It's just a very busy part of Auckland. We're actually going to go to the Westfield Mall. There's a cool rooftop. They've got a lot of restaurants. We've heard all about it. We have come to Rooftop on Broadway here at Westfield Mall.
Wow, this is like next level kind of restaurant area. It's so beautiful. We have all the fairy lights, lots of plants. It's a shame that it's raining today. It's been sunshine ever since we got to Auckland. But anyway, we're rolling with this.
We finally made a decision to come to Something and Social for a few drinks.
While we did our loop just now, I saw specials on the board outside of the New York Grill. They have cocktails for $10 and espresso martinis on that menu. stop on the loop is K Road. We definitely had to get off here because there are so many restaurants in this road.
It's such a vibe.
Also a different kind of vibe.
Yeah.
We've been here before.
I know we said we weren't going to go down side roads, but we found St. Kevin's Arcade. It looks pretty cool. It's so quirky. There's a lot of restaurants, and we even found a shop of old cameras, which is very cool.
In this old building, it's really cool.
And then you have access to Myers Park, I think it is.
Unfortunately, most of the places in K Road is closed. It's 10 to 4. We've seen a few signs that said opening at 5 p.m. Instead of catching a bus, we're just going to walk through to Ponsonby.
Yep, we love Ponsonby. It is one of our favorite spots in Auckland. We have just turned off K Road into Ponsonby Road, and we really love this road. We've been here a few times already. There's really cool spots down this road. Let's go. We found a little microbrewery called Brewport. It's got a little airplane, so you know we have to go try it out. It was very noisy in there, so we didn't show you much, but we had an amazing time. The vibe was phenomenal. There were lots of people, and it's a cool place just off the main road.
After we finished at the pub in Ponsonby last night, we went to a place called Lucky 8.
The restaurant was very full and we had to wait about 20 minutes to get in, but it was totally worth it. Everything on the menu is $8.88. I got a Viet Dragon cocktail and Craig got a beer. The food is almost like tapas, so we got a few plates to share and everything was delicious.
And then another place called 1901. It just got really dark and very noisy and lots of people, so we stopped filming. So we came back today to finish our video. We're back in Queen's Arcade. Queen's Arcade is literally just around the corner from the square. Once you get off of that bus, there is so much to do here in this area. Our favorite obviously is Harbour Eats, which is up there, and there's all these restaurants on the waterfront. So wow, there is so much to do. No wonder we're filming this video over 2 days. We completed the whole loop and it was so much fun.
The total cost for the day came to about $7, which is really affordable with multiple stops. It's a good way to travel around Auckland City.
And if you have any questions or want to add anything about the public transport in Auckland, then please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. So this is the perfect place to hide from the rain. So there is a little bit of bus etiquette.
Custom Street West.